Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Harshavin. Guys, if you want your skin to be brighter, or if you want your skin to be purified, or if you want your skin to be deep cleansing, then all in one I have a super product from HerbtoniQ. So here is the product. It's from HerbtoniQ Ubtan Aldi Chandan powder. So guys, this is a full body Ubtan powder, helpful for a deep cleansing and for purification and especially for the brightening of your skin. So guys, I have a 500-gram jar of kg, you can see, and this is travel friendly also. Guys, coming to the main thing, that is ingredient of this powder, it is made up of kaolin clay, multani mitti and chickpea flour, sandalwood powder, orange pea powder, white turmeric, neem powder, etc. You can see all the good Ayurvedic ingredient in one single jar. Guys, this you can use for full body and also you can use this for your face. So guys, this one you can use for Aldi ceremony in marriages also, because since it's a 500-gram jar, if you take a single jar, then it will be definitely useful. And yeah guys, since it's a mixture of all good herbal powder, it's definitely helpful for your skin brightening and natural look. So guys, coming to the benefits, here only it is given as it is useful for deep cleansing, it is useful for skin brightening, it is useful for purification, it gives you a natural and herbal look, and this one it is suitable for all skin types. Direction for use, you can just take a powder according to your requirement in a bowl, then you can add a rose water or normal water. Also you can add yogurt also, just mix it and apply a thin layer on your face, and also you can apply on your body also and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Later on, rinse with the water. As you can use lukewarm water to rinse off your face, and also you can massage your face for exfoliate. Guys, I would recommend to use this once or twice in a week for a best result. Guys, coming to the fragrance, since it is made up of sandalwood, since it has an ingredient of sandalwood, the smell is so divine. Friends, coming to my personal experience, I've been using this product from past 2 weeks, and my personal experience is that it makes my skin smoother. And what really impressed is the fragrance. And this jar is good, it's super tight and you can easily take it into any occasion. And also for marriage function, this is the best thing for haldi ceremony also. I really loved, because my skin is becoming so soft day by day, and that's what I really impressed with. And I gently massage also. Since this product is natural and herbal, it is away from this harmful chemicals, so this product is perfect or best friend for your skin. This thing is, it is suitable for all skin type, whether it is dry or oily, it is suitable for all skin type. As you can see my past videos also, I am being reviewing HerbtoniQ products, because all the products of HerbtoniQ are very good and super natural, since it is herbal, and all the products are so good and it is away from the harmful chemical. That's what I really loved it. I tried like potato powder, multani mitti, orange powder, pomegranate powder, all of them, but this is a mixture of some specially herbal products. So guys, here the MRP it is given as 875, but you'll get even discount on Amazon website also. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description, you can go and check it out. Let us go towards a small demo video of this product.
So now I'm taking HerbtoniQ Aldi Chandan powder. For now I'm been using just a normal water to apply on my face. You can use rose water or even yogurt, or also you can use milk to mix it and apply on your skin. So guys, after mixing, I'm gonna apply all over my face, and I'm gonna leave for 10 to 15 minutes for dry, and later on rinse off with the lukewarm water and repeat it twice a week.
So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.